Now, the proposal to increase excise duty on fees charged for money transfer services from 15% to 20% remained a subject of concern as telecommunications provider Safaricom shared their views before the Finance Committee. Now, the telecommunication company, in presenting their views, warned this could have a negative impact on the government's digitization agenda as it relies on the platform to disburse funds, among them the Hustler Fund, Inua Jamii funds, among others.
On Friday, the Finance and Planning Committee, led by Kuria Kimani, continued with stakeholder engagement on the contents of the Finance Bill of 2024. The proposal to increase excise duty on money transfer services was met with reservations, with mobile company Safaricom saying it will have a negative impact on the government, which relies heavily on mobile money transfer for government services.
We do not want our fellow citizens to be excluded, for example, from Hustler, which last year disbursed about 50 billion. We do not want our senior citizens to miss out in the Inua Jamii program, because if then we transfer 2,000 shillings to them, but every interaction of using the 2,000 becomes very costly to them, it means that the value that they previously derived from that give back will not really add value to them. And on that basis, then we're asking that you give the proposal, you retain the excise duty rate at 15%, again tying this to the national tax policy, which says a law introduced should only be amended within 5 years. The intention of reducing the rate last year was to try and encourage government to digitize their workflows. What we are saying is, if then we are to undo what we did last year, just 1 year down the line, the government as well will not have been able to digitize all their workflows. The
Kenya Women Parliamentary Association questioned the eco-levy proposal, saying it will lead to an increase in the cost of commodities such as sanitary pads and diapers. Meanwhile, the National Council of Churches of Kenya is calling on members of parliament to scrap taxes that will have direct impact on the poor and vulnerable.
The issue of Finance Bill 2024. We know that penye fahari wawili wanapigana nyasi huumia.
We call upon the political leaders to suspend campaign and divisive politics and instead focus on doing the work they were elected to do.
NCCK South Rift Region Chairman cautioned taxes on essential goods would affect those with least ability to pay. Nancy Okware, Easy Friday.